Hello everyone, Tech Coach Chad Bryant here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to take a multi-page PDF document and split it into single-page PDFs. A use case for this might be if you get a single long PDF with login codes for Seesaw and you want to distribute individual logins to parents. I'm going to start out by going into my Downloads folder and opening up my sample document. So here's something that I pulled from Seesaw. You can see that it's opening up with a program on a Mac called Preview, which is the default program for opening up PDFs on any Mac. And what I'm going to do, and it's pretty simple on a Mac computer. They make it fairly easy to do. Over on the left-hand side, you can see this is a preview of the document and the different pages that compose it. And I'm simply going to grab the page that I want. This is Chad's home learning code. I'm going to grab it, drag it, and drop it to my desktop. Boom, I've got a single sheet PDF. I'm going to go down to my next student, Dawn, drag and drop. And let's try one more, Dusk, drag and drop. So what I would recommend though is going in and renaming the documents. You can do that by clicking on the document itself and then single clicking again. I'm going to call this Chad Seesaw. I'm going to rename this Dawn Seesaw. And I'm going to rename this one Dusk Seesaw. From here, you can attach these as separate attachments to the relevant parents and students. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.